Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 144 May Street in Worcester. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, 2-story apartment, and it's part of a duplex. So I'm gonna go around and try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can just from the video. And this is coming in through the front entrance, so it's kind of a foyer. It goes into the dining room over there, and there's a living room on this side. Living room is pretty spacious. You're gonna notice that there's hardwood floors going throughout the whole thing, and all the windows are pretty tall. They look like maybe 5-foot windows. And we're on May Street right now. It's kind of early in the morning, so it's a little bit busier. Got all the windows open, but the room it's actually pretty quiet. And if you look where we're at, we're kind of closer to the Worcester State campus. And coming through here, you're gonna see the dining room. There's a fridge in this dining room. It just doesn't fit when it was delivered to go to the kitchen. So it does have the fridge kind of here. Makes a little bit more room in the kitchen, and everything's hooked up with it. But this is the dining room, so you could easily fit, like, let's say a 6-person round table or long table in here. And it's really easy. It's right next to the pantry that kind of is between here and the kitchen. There's a lot of cool things. There's like built-in cabinets, and as well as there's some drawers and this fireplace. It's not really an active fireplace though, but it's still nice, like a nice detail. And then over here, this is a pantry kitchen. So you got plenty of built-ins, lots of storage and everything like that. You got these, cabinets that are kind of built in. They are old. They're like the older versions of what those cabinets were, but it's still nice to have. And you got a window, and then this goes on to a 3-season porch balcony, and that's just another way that you can get in from that side. Then coming into here, this is the kitchen. So the kitchen is very nice. This is brand new vinyl floors down in the kitchen. You get the backsplash tiling, which looks really cool. And it's got the machines for the washer and dryer. And then this is just another little laundry room. And then that's the other part that goes out to the 3-season. And there is a nice backyard. It's more for show than anything. I mean, there is a little patch so you can walk around there, but all that is some nice overgrowth that you can kind of look to. It helps with the noise a little bit if you know about trees and foliage and all that. And you got the 4-burner gas stove. There's a closet over here. This is another way that goes up the stairway. So that goes up to the stairway, up to that floor. Then you got the couple closets over here, little utility closet. This is the other side of that built-in that you can pass food and stuff to the dining room. And this is it's like the coat closet. Coat closet next to the entrance foyer. That's the basement that goes downstairs. Check out the basement at the end of the video. But this is going up. So nice carpets, make it easy for like non-slip and things like that. And then this is the hallway. So you got the hallway over here. And some pretty spacious bedrooms. I don't have the windows open, but usually the blinds open. Usually when I do, there's a lot of light that comes in through here from these tall, almost floor-to-ceiling windows. It's a little alcove here. Really nice for like, you just wanted to sit down, maybe do some work from home. There's basically like a bench right there. And the whole thing with the hardwoods kind of continues up to here. Another thing a lot of people see is this old wood trim that's still in pretty good shape. Like, see those? This is the 2nd bedroom. So all the bedrooms in the bathroom are upstairs, I should say that. And you can see the 2nd bedroom here. It's pretty equally sized to the first one. And it's got the closet too. This is a little, another hallway closet, just a little bit of storage and stuff. And over here, this is the 3rd bedroom. Third bedroom has this nice painted floor. It's not the same like hardwoods, but it is really nice. It's fresh paint in here. And coming in here through, this is the bathroom. So this is the only bathroom in the house. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, and it's on the 2nd floor, but it's very nice in here. There's this medicine cabinet with the vanity mirror, and you got the tub, and then that window that looks over the kind of overgrowth in the back. Then over here you have this linen closet, and this goes up to some attic space. And this is just some extra storage, really. It's mostly just storage, but it is pretty nice and spacious. It's like a whole floor of storage up there, just if you had some extra boxes and stuff like that. And I'm just leaving after this. We're going to be shutting off the lights as we go out. And this is that other way that comes through to the kitchen, so we can even check this out. So then we go back to that hallway over there. This is the laundry room, once again, right over here. And back into the dining room. So this is just giving you a good couple different angles. You can kind of see the whole thing. And then the last thing to see is this basement. So just like the attic, it's just raw storage area. There is some benches in here and like a work table and some shelving. So if you can make use out of the space, that's great. And look at down here. This is just where it kind of continues. So you have this extra space. And if you have any questions, please go to nexuswor.com and go to the for rent page. It just has all the lists, all the vacancies over there. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.